Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Golding. We are in your math packet on page 15, and this is problem 2 at the bottom of your page. So, this is a problem about Leo, and Leo is my dad's middle name and my son's middle name, so it's pretty cool. He's making banana bread, and it won't fit in his favorite pan. The batter fills the 8.5 by 11 inch by 1 3/4 inch pan to the very top. But when he bakes it, it spills over the side. He has another pan that is 9 by 9 by 3, and from past experience, he thinks he needs about an inch between the top of the batter and the rim of the pan. Should he use this pan? Okay, first of all, math problems are known for being ridiculous, right? Like, Johnny went to the store and bought 53 watermelons, and his car has 18 wheels. Can he carry these watermelons, right? I mean, that's just ridiculous. First of all, why would you buy 53 watermelons, and why would your car have 18 wheels? And what does that mean? I mean, who knows, right? So here's the ridiculous part about this problem. These bread pan sizes are crazy. 8.5 by 11 is the size of a piece of paper, right? And 1 3/4 inches is really, really skinny. Like, it's really not very deep. And then the other one, 9 by 9 by 3, that's 9 by 9 is a square. Nobody has a square pan for their banana bread. We're going to go with it, okay? So these are more likely what the pan should look like. For your information, for your fun fact of the day, in America, a standard loaf pan is this one, 8.5 by 4.5 by 2.5. And this is a bigger version, 9 by 5 by 2.5. Those are normal size pans, not for our math problem though, right? So we're going to go to this math problem, and here's the deal. When we fill all this batter, it's going to fill this little pan all the way to the top. So this is a volume problem, right? So if we figure out the volume of this, and this is not to scale by any means. This is not 8.5 by 11. This is a rectangular prism, more the shape of what a bread pan should be. So just go with my values, even though they make no sense on this picture, okay? We want to know if this volume, right, all this batter will fit into this pan if it has these dimensions. So we're going to find the volume of this stuff and then the volume of this pan, and we're going to see if it fits in. But remember, we've got to also take away an inch all the way around, right? An inch here. So we got to do that at the end. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is calculation on the calculator. You can, of course, do this by hand, but all through 6th grade, you have been doing computation with decimals and with fractions, so feel free to practice that longhand. I'm going to show it on a calculator, okay? Calculators are just a tool. They're not a cheat, okay? They're a tool that we use. All right, let's put you right here. 11. And then when we find volume, we just multiply all three of these together, these dimensions, 11 times 8.5 times 1 3/4. And that is equal to 163.625. 163.625. 0.625, as you may remember, is equal to 5/8 of an inch. So this is inches cubed, cubic inches. That's the volume of this batter. Okay, let's find the volume of this other pan. Okay, so I'm going to clear this out. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 3 is all we need to figure out, right? When we multiply. The commutative property says I can multiply those. I guess it's more the associative property. I can group them however I want. So I'm doing that. Ready? 81 times 3. 243. 243, right? Cubic inches. Join me for the next video and let's see what we can do with that.